From the Ensign homepage, click on Quick Links from ensign.edu. Click Office 365 and log into Office 365 by entering your Ensign College email address and password. If taken to your LDS login, then use your church login details. This opens your Office 365 dashboard, where you can access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and more apps online. Email will be your main communication contact point. Your teachers, student success advisors, and all other college support staff will send emails to your Ensign College email address to stay in contact with you. To access your email, you will click on Outlook, and you will see your inbox, outbox, drafts, and more.